Happy morning to all. I welcome all the students to class 5 social science class, unit 3 continents of the world. In the last class, we studied about the continent Asia and the country India in detail. In today's class, we will learn about Africa, North America and South America. Africa. Africa is the second largest among the 7 continents of the world. The river Nile and the world's largest desert, Sahara Desert, are home in Africa. More than 50% of the world's gold and diamonds come from mineral-rich continent of Africa. This continent was uninhabitable. That means it was not fit for habitation and remained unknown for thousands of years. Remaining unknown for thousands of years, this continent earned the name of the Dark Continent. Some countries of Africa are Sudan, Libya, this is Egypt. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization and some of the world's famous monuments, mummies, pyramids, and deserts. The next country is Kenya, followed by Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, and Guinea. So these are some of the countries of Africa. The next continent we are going to learn about is North America. North America is the only continent which lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa. The freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The Mississippi and Missouri, the fourth longest rivers in the world, is located in North America. The United States of America, which we all say as USA, is a part of North America. North America is the only continent in the world that has all types of climate. It has climates like the fall, then the summer season, and the snowfall. It also has rainy season. Some countries of North America are Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama, which is famous for its Panama Canal, Honduras, Costa Rica. These are a few countries of North America. The next continent we are going to study about is South America. South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere with relatively a small portion in the northern hemisphere. The world's largest river, which is also the second largest, the Amazon River, is in South America. Brazil, one of the largest coffee producer in the world, is a country in South America. The Andes, the world's largest continuous mountain range, is located in South America. It is also an example of fold mountains and second highest mountain range in the world. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in the Andes. One of the highest volcanoes of the world, Mount Cotopaxi, is found in this continent. The Amazon rainforest covers most of the Amazon basin in South America. Some countries in South America are Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Today we have learnt about Africa, North America, and South America. Totally we have studied about 4 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. The ancient countries: Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Thailand, Afghanistan, Philippines, and Indonesia. The African countries we learned about are Sudan, Libya, Guinea, Egypt, Kenya, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe. The countries of North America: Canada, Mexico, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama, and Costa Rica. Countries of South America: Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Ecuador, Venezuela, Uruguay, Peru, and Paraguay. In the next class, we will study about Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.